going on, dudes and dudettes? BS Mike here, Backyard Shenanigans, and today we're at the Backyard Shenanigans shop out here in Sebring, Florida. And you know, I've been underneath the car, I've laid underneath the car, and I'll never do it again because we got a huge freaking lift. We got Colin out here. Gonna help us out a little bit, and there we go. So what we did is we stood this guy up first. Got our 220 over here to run the pump and everything. Air conditioning shop. I know, we're spoiled in this house. And so we gotta stand this one up and we're gonna bolt it together. What do you think, Colin?
It's gonna be fun.
He says it's gonna be fun. I mean, it must be fun. There we go. We're trying to get monetized in this bitch.
Now we're just gonna straight back. Okay. This is where the pump out right here, right?
Yep.
A few inches later.
Alright guys, just so you know, BS Mike ain't weak. These are at least 2,000 pounds a piece. At least, what do you think, Colin? At least. At least. So
maybe 2,500.
Colin's not actually here to help me lift it. Colin's here to hold it down so I don't throw it into space. Alright, that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the switch. I'm just kidding. Let's get it. We got some more shit to do. We gotta drill some holes. Alright, as you guys can see, Colin was successful at holding it out of orbit. So, now we're just gonna play, hopefully not Russian roulette. 2.5 inches, sort of. 2.5 inches more. That's also what she requested of me. And was denied. Alright, dude, so now we got the ladders in place. We're gonna go ahead and get the bar that goes across the top. Throw some bolt holes in that sucker. I think we got her dialed in. While I was rummaging through my tools, I found a stud finder. Let's see if it works. Oh, it works. Yeah, it's hot up here. Oh, fuck, I ain't doing that. It's me and Colin couldn't get that thing bolted up, but don't worry, we got somebody in jorts over here. We got Michael Jackson in the house. He's wearing jorts. He didn't come to fuck around. 2 minutes, he's got the bolts in. What? What is wrong with me, dude? Why can't I do things like that? I'm telling you, Ronnie, there's just people that are good at doing things. But don't worry, that ain't going nowhere, dude. Next hole.
So we learned our lesson.
Yeah.
We need a guy with jorts.
Jorts and flops, and it'll get fucking done. If it don't go down, just get a bigger hammer, dude.
This guy's gonna be ready to put some work in.
Oh yeah, I mean I hate working, but this will make it work even
A lot
better. There we go. The top of this is cut down to keep it from mushrooming. Oh, okay. Yeah, right here. See? The knowledge that someone with jorts brings, you know what I mean?
We should join the softball league to work on the hand-eye coordination.
I think so too. I think so too.
Yeah.
I tried to play softball and they all didn't want me to play with them for some reason. I act like I sucked or something. This building was the perfect fucking height. Look at this.
Yeah.
I say we got about what, 10 inches?
Yeah.
I mean, if I told a lady that if that was 10 inches, I'd tell her that was about 44 inches. You know.
You got it, Mike?
That's what we're gonna find. All right, dudes and dudettes, we're in. We got all our anchor bolts in. We got our safety cables hooked up, ran over the top. We got our hydraulic line hooked up. I have to buy the wire in still, so stay tuned for another awesome lift video. Ronnie, what you think about the shop with the lift in it?
It's excellent.
It's excellent.
That time, huh?
What do you like more? Do you like the air conditioner or the lift more?
The AC.
Ah, the AC. All right. What do you think about that, Colin?
I think the Mustang's ready to be lifted up.
You're almost just about ready to lift the Mustang, huh?
Almost there.
All right. Anyways, thanks for watching, dudes. The Backyard Shenanigans shop is coming right along. Subscribe for a guy, you know, I'm out here sweating, you know, for your entertainment, never for any personal gain like putting a lift in my garage or anything. We'll catch you guys in the next video.
Is it on me?